After perfect retest of 1807 support level on daily time frame, gold price are going up in a vertical line. First it came down $150, that was dump, and now they are pumping again, and that total up and down movement in less than 2 months, I think all the beginner trader must have died, and who somehow magically survived that drop, now they must be dead by selling last week. Because last two speech of Fed was complete opposite. He said something, but next week opposite thing happened in market, and now this vertical price action say that market has lost faith in central bank of USA. And biggest thing was that 500k NAP, and after reading news everyone believed that interest rate will go 6%, and right on bottom Powell said that they can hike 50 basis point. But now this week same market is now expecting that maximum they can do 25 basis point hike, and this vertical candle on Friday is your market pricing for 25 basis point rate cut next week. But best thing they can do is rate pause, because if they cut interest rate next week, that will be total market panic. And if SP 500 crash in vertical line and dollar index goes up in vertical line, then don't touch gold price, let it go where it want to go, because that will be total market crash. In that condition gold can come down vertically, and this has happened many time in past, that first it goes up on Friday then come down vertically next week. But that thing is only possible if they do rate cut, because rate cut is sign of market panic that central bank has lost control. Like I said in past video, that rate pause from Bank of Canada was bottom for me for gold price. And there are so many news in economic calendar, but most important thing is Fed FOMC meeting this week, and this week you will get summary of economic projection. And if they did 25 basis point rate hike, and if new bank does not collapse before FOMC meeting, then they will do 25 basis point hike, and those FOMO buying before official announcement of rate cut, they will sell gold on official decision. And if they do rate pause, which is best thing they can do to save everyone, then next thing is what is the length of pause, the timing between last hike and first rate cut. And in that condition that will be hawkish Fed and gold can drop. So 25 basis point rate cut from Fed this week can be market panic, and in market crash situation this can collapse with margin call. Or if they pause interest rate, then there will be rate cut this year in 2023. In that condition it can retrace, and 1916 is your big horizontal support level, because right now it is too late to think about rate cut. Those trade is already inside the market, and now main thing is when will we exit? Once target for rate cut market pricing complete, that is 2.5%, then profit taking in gold can start. An Elliott wave target for next upside resistance is 2147, and this will not stop until it hit that level, and before hitting that target there is a good possibility that price makes sideways correction, because on Friday 1960 level is broken, then next is your $2000 resistance, then last one 2075, and that QE which happened last week, that is not real QE, that is temporary money printing. And before you think about selling gold, make sure you watch this previous trend, and that bottom was your 1807 support level, and more vertical price action is coming for you in upcoming weeks. And weekly time frame where everything is clear, after that 18.0 support, your next target is all-time high 2075, and once that level breaks, there is no resistance for gold. And our monetary policy trend, first step was tapering and QE was last step, but US government skipped all the two step, the pause and rate cut, and they directly started QE, and that is why you can see this vertical weekly candlestick, and that is pure market panic, because this is new trend of central bank. First it was ECB, they hike interest rate and printing money at the same time. Then that was your Bank of England on September 28, if you remember, hiking and printing money at the same time. And now this is your US government, they are hiking interest rate and printing money at the same time, because that small spike in their balance sheet, gold is exploding in vertical line, because all the steps are going in opposite direction. If their goal is to print money to increase size of balance sheet, then why they are reducing balance sheet and hiking interest rate and calling this QT? It make retracement, then buy again, but it will break 2075 level and it will not stop before 2149. And if there is an emergency rate cut, then Bank of Canada will do it first. And after ECB rate hike last week, because banks are also collapsing in Europe, I think they will pause interest rate. And for intraday trading H4 time frame, if it retraces back, 1960 is now your support, buy again. H1 time frame, this is your trend line, if it retraces again then buy, because right now technical and fundamental both are bullish for gold at the same time, and plus you have FOMO buying, because first it give you $28 retracement, you did not buy, and then it retraced 50%, made double bottom before exploding to higher, and it is happening on each Friday, it goes up, then a news for bank run become public on Monday. So don't worry, these are insider, they already know what is the news. So this level 1933 is your horizontal support level. If it retraces back, then you can buy on this level, because this price action is FOMO buying before Fed officially declares stagflation. You will not see this on H1 time frame, and there was no stagflation in last 30 years. And now stagflation has confirmed. NFP will collapse below 100k and CPI will go more than 10%.